Free weights versus lifting machines. Is there a difference? Remember the thrill and fear of learning to ride a bike? Gym training can feel the same way. Just like training wheels on a bike, weight machines offer stability and confidence for beginners. But what about the free weights section that seems a bit intimidating and mysterious? There are myths and legends about free weights. It's better than machines, or you'll hurt yourself if you're not careful. In the past, free weights were seen as the domain of the gym trolls, grunting and sweating. Today, the gym is more inclusive, with people of all ages and abilities using free weights without judgment. Using free weights feels different. It's about control and engaging more muscles, including the core. Machines guide your movements on a fixed path, making them feel safer and more straightforward. Free weights, however, require you to stabilize and control the weight in multiple directions. Science has been exploring the benefits of free weights versus machines since the 1960s. Some studies suggest free weights might increase testosterone more than machines, but results in muscle mass and strength are similar. Machines can isolate specific muscles, which can be beneficial for targeted training or injury recovery. Free weights might be better for developing explosive power, useful for sports performance. Machines can sometimes provide equal or superior benefits, especially for beginners focusing on technique. Practical considerations include the time-consuming nature of changing weight plates and the need for a spotter. Machines offer convenience and safety, especially when time is limited or you're training alone. The evidence supports both free weights and machines, depending on your goals and comfort level. A balanced approach, mixing both free weights and machines, can provide comprehensive benefits. Confidence and competence in technique are crucial, so consider professional guidance when starting with free weights. Much like mastering two wheels on a bike, once you gain confidence with free weights, you might never look back. Embrace the journey, find your balance, and unlock your full potential with a mix of free weights and machines.